Welcome to the Knowledge Mind IT viewers. Today we are going to learn the trending thing that is Open AI, that is the artificial intelligence based chat forum. We are going to explain the usage of the chat GPT. That is the trending topic. Before going to demonstrate the chat GPT usage, let me learn the history of chat GPT. The ChatGPT was launched on November 30th, 2022. It was invented by San Francisco and Dell and Whisper. It is the open artificial intelligence based chat forum, and now we can use this forum. It is free among the public and we can use. There are a lot of million users are using this platform. It has established upon December 4th. OpenAI estimated chatbot already now comes to the users. Now there are a lot of people are using this ChatGPT forum. Let me see how ChatGPT works. Actually, the ChatGPT works as per the artificial intelligence concept. Normally, it's used based on the machine learning. Actually, the user pass the query through the chat discussion through the chat GPT. The data from the user will demonstrate and analyze using the machine learning concept, that is the supervised learning. From this supervised learning, the reinforcement learning happens. According to the reinforcement analysis, the data will be analyzed, and as per the analysis, the output will be generated to the user. It will happen into following steps: step 1, step 2, and step 3. In step 1, let me see, the data will be collected from the user, the collected demonstration data and train supervised policy. Then the data will be sampled into few data sets. Then the data will be labeled as per the behavior and the output behavior. Then the data use the tunings method, that's called GPT 3.5 with supervised learning, and the data will be we group into several categories as per the GPT 3.5 supervised learning. Under the step 2, the collected data will be compared and analyzed using reward model. Here we have classified the sample data into A group, B group, C group, and D group. So the four group will be compared with each other. A will be compared with B, A will be compared with C, B will be compared with D, A will be compared with D. Like this manner, all of the data will be compared using the reward model. Then, according to the comparison, the data will be arranged in a descending order, and the label ranks outputs for the best to worst. We need to arrange the data from the best to worst. After, at the final stage of the step 2, the data is used to train our reward model. At the step 3, the optimized policy will use to set up the remote model using PPO reinforcement, and the new promotion held up and set up the data set. The PPO model is initialized from the supervised policy. The policy generates an output. The reward model calculates the reward for the output. The reward used to update the policy. Then the data, the collected sample data will be analyzed. Then the system will generate the output according to the machine learning concept. Then will only user get the relevant output as per the search. So this is the functionality of how ChatGPT works. Let me see the examples, capabilities, and limitation of ChatGPT. Why you are going to choose the ChatGPT? If you have any query related in a mathematical or arithmetic questions, such fellow things. If you need to explain the quantum computing in simple terms, you can ask the ChatGPT. It's like your friend. You can chat with your friend and ask, I'm having this type of doubt. So can you solve that issue? In this manner, you can ask your friends. As like this, you can ask this artificial chat GPT. Just put the query in this manner. The chat GPT will answer to your question. If you have any suggestions or any other idea to conduct a birthday party for a 10 years old child, you can put a question like, got any creative ideas for a 10 years old's birthday party? ChatGPT will guide you how to conduct the event in a trending manner. If you are a developer or a programmer, you need so many things related the coding and the web development. You can ask the query such, how do I make on HTTP request in JavaScript? Then the ChatGPT will analyze your query and answer to your query. Let me see the capabilities. Remember what user said early in this conversation. Another capabilities, remember what user said early in the conversation. Actually, it's this ChatGPT functioning using the machine learning concept. So you are the user, you need to provide the instruction. The ChatGPT will understand the instruction, which means understand your conversation and provide their solution to as per your conversation, and allow user to provide follow-up correction. And if you wanted a new solution, or when you are searching few things, the GPT will provide multiple solutions to your ideas, and you can provide correction to the ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will analyze your correction and give the update. Another feature is train to decline inappropriate request. If you pass the not validate question, the ChatGPT will answer to your question, it is not validate. So you can get the idea from the ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT will like a guide to search many things in a relevant area. You don't need to waste the time to search the multiple things. The ChatGPT will bring up the whole thing, the relevant thing in your one place. Let me see the limitations in ChatGPT. ChatGPT occasionally generate incorrect information. It happens rarely. Some of the few case only, the ChatGPT will generate the wrong information. May occasionally produce harmful instruction or based content. If you are asking the harmful or illegal information, the ChatGPT will not answer to your question. That time only you couldn't get the relevant output from the ChatGPT. Limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. ChatGPT will not predict the future, so it will not analyze the future data. It only focused and analyzed the past and present data. So you can't get the data for the future year. I'll demonstrate how to use ChatGPT. You need to go to your browser and just search like openai.com. Then you will log into the web application, you need to provide your phone number to log into your account. Please wait for a minute. Here you need to provide the code. This will come to your phone through the OTP number. You just copy and paste it. Then only you will access the chat.openai.com. This is the user interface. After you have logged in, you can visible that. Here you can start your chat like the other social media application. It's like the Hangout, but Hangout is not based on artificial intelligence. You can create the chat. You can provide the question query here. Here I posted the question, that is, I want to add two numbers. I got the output, the sum of 250 and 365, 650. It's like you can get the solution through the ChatGPT for your mathematical problem or arithmetic problem. You can get the idea from the ChatGPT with a solution. If you need a professional email, you can ask ChatGPT like this manner. Write an email to my manager that I am sick. Then just type your content and just click enter. The ChatGPT will generate the email in a professional manner along with the subject, salutation, content, and the regards. So the only thing is you need to change the manager name and your name only. So that is the large miracle thing. You don't need and spend your time to write the email. You just check and review it and just copy and paste it to your manager. That's the thing. So that's a great thing. You can use the email and the letter. You can get the letter from the ChatGPT. So as a professionalist, you need to use ChatGPT OpenAI. If you are a developer, you can write a code to print odd or even number in Java. I need the odd or even number program in Java language. Then the IDE will be opened and the ChatGPT will generate the code along with the output. And also you can copy the code. And also ChatGPT provide the explanation for the code. So you can get the code along with the code explanation. So that is a great platform. You only thing is you just copy and paste this code in your IDE. If you are going to build a web application for the student management system, you need a React code. You can just type build student management system in React.js. You can get the code from the ChatGPT. So it's a great thing. You don't need to search several sources. You can get the good code with the explanation through the ChatGPT. That's why I put build student management system using React.js code, please. I just put enter. Your ChatGPT will generate the code. Here is the option if you want to stop generating. If the answer from the ChatGPT is enough, you can click on stop generating. Then the ChatGPT will stop the answer generation. Here you get the option to copy the code I said earlier, and you can paste it in your Notepad or IDE. And here is the page. You can save your logs that you chat with your chat GPT. You can rename your chat. If you want to clear the conversation, you can click on this clear conversation and remove your conversation. If you want to lock out, this is the lockout button. You can use a lockout. So I hope you will get the sufficient knowledge of chat GPT. It's a trending thing. So don't to be late. Uh, get in touch and use the chat GPT basic concepts and utilize that platform. As a professionalist, you need to know how to assist to those type of AI based technologies. So don't be lazy. So try new things and try it. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.